3 easy tips for successful container gardening. These are some tips to help you create a beautiful hanging basket or container this summer. First, use an artificial soil made mostly from peat moss. Fafard and ProMix are good soils that use peat moss, perlite, and other ingredients. They also have soil that doesn't compact in the summer. Regular watering can cause garden soil to become concrete if it is not kept moist. Plant roots will stop growing when this happens because they need good open spaces for nutrients to flow into. Don't use hard, compacted soils in your containers. They won't grow good plants. My artificial potting soil is reused year after year. I take it out of the pot. Use a shovel or a knife to remove all the roots from last year and to add about 10% of compost. The compost improves airspace and provides plants with healthy nutrition. Your plants should be fed once a week. The engine of plant growth is nitrogen. Water-soluble nitrogen means that dissolved nitrogen will be released from the bottom as you water the containers. To provide the necessary trace nutrients for my plants, I use a fish emulsion liquid food with seaweed. It is highly recommended. To promote growth, you can use any liquid food, salts or Miracle-Gro. You can make compost tea and your plants will have bigger blooms and more vigor. Finally, regardless of how large the container is, it's important to soak it completely at every watering. Continue to water until the water dries out of the bottom. This allows roots to reach all parts of the pot and grows properly. Thanks for watching.